sa comments bia me ma ewo Facebook ni ade obi okoto sin bia no wotwa na wo de send na o broadcast no yedi sa eno ho enkomo ye no ena me ne lawyer etwetwe eho enkomo lawyer me mo official po
you.
Now what is saying? I feel come to officer say yet yasna your home pa me da say na no na me no share nkomo biase na make say yebe no Syria yebeto bebedu bia no na yede ato ne ato so me no kan ene use mobile phones wo ha no bia ko hu bibi no otwa memfa say memfa nya mfaton okopi accident bi so okopi so na nipa plan won hwe ene ho ade na otwa ya no de ababeto Facebook social media no so ene wo ha no send bibi aba WhatsApp ne ye di ho komo adam afa ko akiri kakra ne fa bra emre wo saa ensem no ho no ene sen ne ahweyi e wo se yeye e wo saa ne ma no
me that's it. I think we spoke about the fact that there are in Ghana that prohibits those stuff. Sorry, your time. I think you do come.
You do come.
You do come. You say, Ghana hano.
Emra was hard.
Emra, I prohibit it. So basically, that sort of information, you know. It's a constitution, you know. Article 18. Yeah, hello.
Me patriote you, yatunka.
Yes, a constitution, article 18. That it means privacy is guaranteed under the constitution. Privacy is guaranteed under the constitution. And yes, also share Electronic Communications Act, and Cyber Security Act, also, and Criminal Offences Act. That's the meaning. Say, Obagana, and yet that area, no, any area, and maybe you have government. They are maybe do a protected via privacy. Now, even recently, Compona, a Cyber Security Authority. So that's like a Cyber Security Authority, and that was created by the Cyber Security Act. So look at it, and not only down. If any authority, those sort of cyber crimes, can be reported to them, and they have been given the power to investigate. So this internet matter now. Laws on crime now. They were made in the 60s. But the Constitution in particular, and our offense and Cyber Security Act.
Act 2020-2020.
That is it. That is it. And I'm a clearer as to those sort of cyber and other internet crimes, that are committed. So those are crimes. Say any quota, a crime. Say because of cyber security, language now. Or say, what's spread content indecent.
Indecent content.
Indecent content.
To say a bit to say. Me person me chima machiv indecent say bia oba bi wo ana bema bo nu awro no ho na no guso.
That is it. And also can say what could you do about the jada ho no otwa because of the accident no otwa. These are indecent. And it's all published here. It causes distress. It creates distress to others. Obo o sha nga won tiri bi o ni bo sa no so the general so won tiri bi so ni nyina no e na law no postcard but the law no aka say if you spread the content of that nature now you'll be liable for prosecution.
Unya bi na woto mane etugu mframa mu a emra ne tia.
That is, and one thing is that if you are no, you are on the aspect of say incoherent. I need to say it's a conspiracy attempt. Oh, the idea. What boy? I'm adding a coach. You are supposed guilty as the originator of the information in the first place.
Okay, and say Bibi said the can the ordema wono anywhere wons unya ya wo boama e call ye say wo de ma obi nso no wons waso so ntie no ka ho bi.
Yes. Yes, certainly. Because we say what we are better. What boama crime na dey.
Akoso.
But I say what because for you know the originator require if I say few people and okay and it was supposed to. But because of what contributory spreading, you are equally liable. And yes, also I think that is also boss said, so recording without the notice. Who will be consent and some are recording. It's good for our camera, and instead just recording someone without only a chrono, the consent. Wrong. That one too equally breaches Article 18.
And will you phone the record will be a emanitia
without the consent?
Okay, yeah.
The person's consent.
Okay, I'm funny say Mijina Honomo, Daddy Lumbe manage Daddy Lumba home. Now adwene so about the facts that were yet famous or star into my email phone.
No, because the person is in public space.
Okay, to Obia were public figure in the running.
It is private person, once you're in the public space. You're in the public space, whereby the privacy is not endangered. You get it? Oh, public space.
You learn
the public space there.
Learn, mommy, and to some, me a private person. But again, ABO be free say, or Facebook opens on and by me, non manner, or be tram picture. Now, Miss Bissan said, then also, Mrs. Soon could be born, I'm saying, any Brahmin tray. But I just gave consent, so we'll try me, I mean, the Brahmin tray. But me one me a private, me a public figure, and no, a hormone, so a becan saying.
A web of both civil and criminal connotation. If the image, the image, it has been paid for. Some of these images have been paid for. If the image right,
image you are footballer, see.
You look at the footballers in wrong. You can monetize your image.
And okay.
You can monetize your image.
Because if you know a product, icon, my product be.
That is it. That is it. And also be a while, you can profit from your image. And for that matter, what you can say, no, give a publishing with the part for no pay. You get it? And I say, did you say, usually, a footballer is in one. Any practice, which will do a wedding. The wedding, I say, no beer in picture wedding. I say,
one
I say, magazine. I intend to contract our wedding. For me, as soon as you pay, and all the right to publish them. If you know, that I don't know, you must give proper notice of it. But that is, you must give proper notice of it. And as I said, I don't have a child picture. I want my phone so, if I put it online, that's the reason why you can draw my attention to pull it down.
Okay.
You can draw my attention to pull it down. But that is, but if they take you a picture alone, picture no take you. Well, add the extra work to it to produce artistic work. But that is it. I don't know. I don't know that you have copyright it. You can copyright it.
But that is it. You know me, pa. You fan say we be a tramary picture, okay? We try one can't change my say be there to Facebook. Make me reach out to the person. Say me picture no pulling it down.
You should pull it down.
Me ninja home. Me cannot one day meet me soon.
So one can one play soccer. Then you write formally to the owner of the platform.
Okay.
But that is here from the Facebook.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Yes. That's Meta. You inform Meta that you have seen this particular image. You get it?
Okay.
and you don't want it there. Okay. There was some small complications with that.
Yeah.
Especially where the picture was taken. Where the picture was taken. Usually, if it is taken, and I'm not saying that there is no exception to that. I'm saying that usually, when pictures are taken in public, and whereby your privacy, like in quotes, has not been breached. Those ones in there, you can add 1 or 2 things to it to make it work. Because I remember this basketball player, very popular, or James, something.
Aye.
James.
LeBron James.
LeBron James. Somebody obi the phone, take the picture.
Opemsuo.
And picture near the face. And I'm supposed to the social media platform. What are going to take picture and see?
Because or the bibiaka home.
We'll take a picture no up polishing the kaka. I don't know afa anything. But when you give me content out of you only do.
Yansha polishing at what level a constitute say there's been an addition or modification whatsoever to it and I am image, but then again it wouldn't be mine.
No, that's it. Also, no. One, we'll take you in public.
Okay.
In public. Not in the private space, in public.
Okay.
That's it. And that medium, then for instance, the celebrity in particular. Once you're celebrating, you profit from the public followership. You know, you profit from it. For instance, because you are celebrating, the reason you are celebrating is the fact that your life is lived in public. And you earn your living from public. That's why you're celebrating. Okay. You get it? Because if me, I'm not celebrating simply because I don't know how to put it. Before you can say you're celebrating, it means a community of followership.
Yeah. Now, who the own come cry? I was afraid to pack a crowd followers now.
That is it. Once you have a community, you are profiting from the community. So the community is entitled to equally what? Take pictures of you.
Okay.
Equally within that community, that's it. But not in your private space. You get it?
Exactly.
Not in your private space.
One more fear metted baby surprise being a try.
Okay. It's public. It's public. But however, if you don't want any pictures for it to be taken in public, you can sound caution. However, the most important thing is that the most important thing is that when you see it, you can take measures for it to be what? Cool down.
Okay.
Especially where the motive for the taking motive, no, another intention of taking it, it's not anything diabolic. You get it? It's not anything diabolic or meant to affect your another to delegate you. Say that you need to go to keep picture in a particular position to make public credible of you. You get it?
What one try picture be Wuhrama, what you quiet Anomano, not Uchow.
So, and so we are good work at that. We are okay, picture going to keep, especially why is people doing in a particular way.
And that's why
what's so far,
or double bedroom.
And that's also for what group more function of a sort. You're about the quantity to the you take picture of it. So you're invading the privacy.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
And don't want to miss the fact that the person is vulnerable. The person has been involved in accident. The person has been involved in accident. Then you are taking a picture of the vulnerability at that stage.
Yeah.
That one, the law abhors it. The law abhors it. That one ought not to manage cry. And I'm going to say something there. That especially Cybersecurity Act in 2020. Any the Cybersecurity Authority. I'm a specialized body, their power to investigate these things. But the most important thing is that usually when you see these things, don't just go and report it. Take evidence of it. But already, and when they determine whether indeed the old canon or what any of.
Take for copy, I would be evidence.
That is it. That's the most important thing.
Because who report now me no pulia.
Yeah, delete. What is it? Yeah, delete it. Get it. So evidence taking is very important. Very, very, very important. And most importantly, like I said about it, to say, before you spread, ask the basic question. I am near, say near, not forward it. I mean, let me try me forward it. Let forward it. Yes, all your phones are.
No, sure.
Because, Anna said, it's a panicia. Unia bird, Anna, or Kunyasa, along some Nakotun or Pound. Oh, Unia bow. We try that international. We do that. Oh, yes. You get it.
Okay.
So, beyond Mrano, which by young conscience.
You fire Adrian, you fire Adrian tone.
That is it. That is it. Because Emradi, say, Emrano,
any person at Tomradi. One was what do I do?
What do I do? Because the fact that, I did not fire Ghana gradually, it's happening, and they say, Sikana Yuchi, and my year through morality to the box. Yes, gradually through morality to the box. What I heard recently, by now say, or yeah, up, student, or I think student,
I Ebonoa. Now, one more bounce of Ruby.
Because you know them to soon.
With a typical example, Pana Diabanofa related that to Emrano. And the reason why, and then Yachina he is in the police custody. Final a case my way.
Also, right now, you're charging for publication of false information. I know it's under the Criminal Offences Act.
Okay.
That is at 29. So he's undergoing prostitution.
Okay.
But he could have equally been charged under the Cybersecurity Act.
Okay.
Equally, because it created distress. It's a distress, especially certain people are overly religious.
Fixated to religion.
Yes. I didn't pray. Because you are doing something you can say anything. You can say anything. And they suffer. You get it. And also religion is dogmatic. Dogmatic. You don't say religion is an area followers don't question.
India grow.
Don't question.
And
they are stoic. They don't complain. You get it. One suffering, they take a hook, line, and what center. So there's high degree of vulnerability around that space. High degree of vulnerability. Because it gives you assets. In fact, drain a couple. What I say. And it's not, I'm not saying this in a negative light too. The point I'm trying to say is that most of them, so what they project, what they for instance, is there a small boy who examines you say you believe in you I don't know Never say who are you say bonnie. If you bring your whatever if you don't know you that was created. And it is those sort of questions.
On the baby, I didn't call or cotton one or two, and you'll be with you.
So the point I'm trying to say is that about religion now, it's an area
you don't question.
You're the faith. You're the faith in your home. What is it? And I was told, say, certain people even contributed money to the guy. Come on.
No more bookies.
They paid money. You get it? And let's say comment to be more tribute to one musician be called Sarkodie. A musician called Sarkodie. They attributed a certain statement to or no. And I don't know whether you want to match that statement now. And it's to the effect say, let's say the guy was only creating content. I don't know whether that is the statement that he made.
Okay, I'm here to verify, but let's assume for educational purposes.
He made that statement.
Say on Omeki, does that implicate the artist?
No, the next time say indeed committee that statement around. It is highly unfortunate on his part.
Okay.
Highly unfortunate on his part. Because then it means that he himself don't really appreciate the matters involved. Obi was planning the life more than 2025. What the catch on your say, the world is going to what? End. You get it? And this person, in reliance of that, they have acted at that person's detriment. He has acted at a detriment. You can say, investment also on your own career, because you say, just the day, you get it. And you will be on your phone, most of the things, it will go to the detriment of the person. What is that?
When two Omanashin is sick, we are still best.
Our implication of yes, you get it. And any different society ought not to tolerate this kind of stuff. Any decent society ought not to tolerate this kind of stuff. Because
lawyer, mama friend, mama trying more and friend mommy. But I say, would immediately would follow and common. Many lawyer or say Darkwa, and yet to common. And you may be so in social media and so WhatsApp any day will be a trap picture no send them or be any coins or send them or be a yes honey manina and no common dinner and common and alcofa nano bono de abetum and yet just say a cancer and as a name addition a woman and no home asem and I can say I'm looking as a bono or more chin in or case. So much charging say publication of false information. Criminal we and some. But again, he could have also been charged this cyber security or monsoon could be charging the war. A quite fast way and identity. Dear question and come out to me, she said, Yensa ebitimi akan lawyer na meneno awie. Senye saa, dear question ye, sabi adi bo man na wo buoni egu so adi ba ko kan ye me dey. Ufri say obi picture no watwa ba bisa ho say ye no eye wan ka be de enye wo dade a na chese ni kwan sa wo koso eden eye obehwe na panyini bu ho no ma wo ye panyini nti na obi afa ne picture na sabi wo ye nanim sabi mani wo sumna wo ye nanim dwobi the actual thing is enye sa na nanim ti en wo ye en na wo de mema manfo en wo kan say so utikwe ya ni permission afro wo na wo nya contact na ka say pull your dinner down and the sunny money I say a commercial why infringing the privacy there and yet not just say and won't some no a bit me ama so ama no aqua actually and to me say me lawyer memano ama ye wie e sa e fa no mo na and you may my say the diagra and also be can the brewer no say there be or ye do work then aqua to amanimo and tienshe say me lawyer na ya toa so e ho no na meneno awie ewo saa enkomo no ho me call line so me say mensa assign eka lawyer akwa ba wi mo line dropping nti yento aso daruma
so the point I'm trying to say is that in the cost of chasing money especially when it comes to online most of these things are monetized
nipa di na chi
especially nipa di over online activities now. The social media now. Yes, Facebook. Facebook does not exist if many will have content and what. You get it?
Yeah.
Facebook is American. The reason why it is free, and that's social media. The reason most of it is free is that we are the product. We are the product.
Yeah, no. Yeah, na yama umojuma na jina. Yamfa hwantoa. Facebook.
Facebook itself doesn't produce content.
There be TikTok can produce content. Just a more ana mudi bego.
And sincerely, you know how they do it. Yeah, what they do that to one. And to reaching to the brain. No, social media for the power thing. And that's because now more money day. And you know, they try to encourage people to get more followers. And most often, nipa no de get here no yepa you start the money share the papa so say dia opa for a very decent woman it's at home decent woman yefa they need not so decent that whenever they don't abuse
no crapa
get it
no crapa
so society has been designed in such a manner that is why there is law and into the yemra because you join pa you pay my ye be yan as you so one person na rama we be befa so that is why in the wisdom of the parliament after studying say we say internet space now recent development
yeah
we yemra no as at that time no had not anticipated say they be ba am I abrabona ni pe babo no yeah money face to face
so
by this time
remember social media ba be ka ho
good as the time president is so really super even by the time it's so even can most of the traditional media are now moving to social media
on your radio cranity and radio bia or Facebook ni ade
certainly if you see that society is reforming society that is why in trying to keep pace with that almost the Cyber Security Act and electronic communications act those the combined effect of those now the criminal offences act also become one it makes ample provision and I say it's making the requisites and I say the needed legal framework a governing this cyber space especially the fact that it must sanitize the internet space that offense cyber security authority that cyber security authority and especially if you go to their site their contacts are there contacts if you have WhatsApp platforms there are WhatsApp platforms that you can report matters and they will investigate and I will report you don't need or you ought not to be the victim
okay
and then what's not true is not reporting so you internet not say distressing you can equally report and they will investigate and the good news about internet space is that so far as you are using MTN for data and Avoda for Telcel any of the your IP IP
lawyer
and then
baby awodru na me mo chechire mu ho na me me de awie wo say
okay
en mane nye obi adwene say wo chitoko bi munti obi ahu no na I think a week ago or few moments a week ago yehu ema bi a ebeda social media ma me ensa no mo bo abofra bi
exactly
and now obi a wo gina nchen twa ye nkasa sa nipa no or find this scene say a very distressing right
that is it
and now wo twa ye
good
and no dey to social media
yes he has committed an offense
okay
you get it so now any social media and also the
police station
you ought not to put on social media
last time okay
you report it to the police and for instance any media house how do you
okay
you get it
okay
they will now communicate it privately to the appropriate quarters for investigation
let's say between everyone say the nipa ne ye ne nye de na wo momu ahu na watwa no enye social media no so de beto fako police station and as a media house be a wogini di ana social institution bi
that is it okay. And I say any fencing security agency and I say even the opinion leader of the community obi o gini bi say as a normal man so ha
no man so better on transfer no
on transfer between one am you point to that thing and I'm going to say what the two ha your identity the about intention case and so on obi on identity wo
okay ho no so me man kire mu wo say your bank video no so ana WhatsApp na enye wa adwene say obia ehu anase obia ennimu tokro bia chimbia no na wo kan about IP address
because this data companies but they also need data for the browser what of data the browser or gadget now we use or gadget now for the browser and what special identity number it is all the super for instance your example say there Google now you always search here or the always search here at random fast man na to make it so
baby a wo free no say woman share wo bokrum na ya na wo
what can you say this location was picked from your IP address you can say it was picked from your IP address
nti your phone e Brian ne de e ma ehu ba bia e wo bia
exactly because especially it is on the mask and a ticket signal
exactly
mask and that's what the amount of network in ho
Utiminya de oye na chese there's a close by mast how we are connected to it if you do internet and whatsoever
exactly it may yes I didn't know to for me and then internet now do na you should go food do na you should go food do na you do na ho
there be
you do na ho so no criminals no and we also they say me my account all right not what that add the password I think what hacking
account no
hacking this is what that add your identity what that add your identity and so kind
they want to say nipa na o that utimi je o identity na ana utimi hack wo account no so yes hacking a crime
straight away crime anybody and the law not specified in black and white under the Electronic Communications Act and they go in black and white and you know all these ones you know when I know and they say they are put it baby don't say that put it baby so far as and one that private data and also private mass no even your private mass Ghana the airways no oh and private space and public space aban itu na ntie ba o papa sra aban sa aban mame platform dem ka me dey me ho man fa so and then so your NC National Communications Authority
yeah
o mo no so bu no
lawyer
o mo do ti sa in time
mame mbisa we finally renenti yenhwe te say akora obi bu no anase incident ya ebeda social media in that case no bo what we can say ni say empayimfo anema we na mo nsra mo behwe nipa na post ye no omo hwe IP address no ene saba bi efri bana mo matun ahu sa hanom na emfa investigation no emfa enu nti ne mo mutimi di enu achi ehu nipa na etimichi wo mo no
oh yes that is it and the sabwa investigators so say once identity comes up people know them everybody will be able
and okay
it's also boy and you know and I sometimes say let's say dia o chama police for no kwa na eduma so if you know you ya corner so let me then I report to police it's my report I don't Russia most people are omo matter ko viral every internet so they are caught eventually so say dia
they are caught eventually o shehin kura ni akoche no this is police and some becho
I use the police that one too because a space here you can't hide you catch the becho and you know I see na yenya fi like I said earlier no we dey inform the rest of me na ntonchen and you nya obese
ewunya na obese nya nka be ne
e we ya obese nka be se senya enye you know we say I don't say you know me and I know even your platform be I mean what should be wrong uncle for they should know better platform should know better hey I say video one dey be push mami
bibi e bit say sorry to say bia young guys be but as minimum how best I can say. Let's say leakage of sex tape will be requested.
And I mean, it's okay. So even if it is certain people are due to know better than others.
Yeah.
The Bible class judgment of a person.
Yeah.
Because it's certain professional jobs on WhatsApp platform.
Lawyer for platforms. Upon will be because I didn't be I didn't do any. Well, Bruno say Tiamra.
Embarrassing. Very, very embarrassing. A doctor for platform.
Ampa.
It's a society we are feeling. Because if these people, or monocle, the forerunners of violating the law now, then how much more people will it means that society, we are running into a ditch. We are gradually running or walking into our own distraction. We are gradually, because the so-called educated people are doing worse. Oh, that is why the program I'm in this light, it's about the timing, it's spot on. Because the society make one. And I don't say at the money on. I said, you can say money, you end up with another papa.
And okay.
You no longer see anything wrong about that.
Exactly.
Anything that so before define what is normal, they will say that an abnormality that has gained credence. It's normal.
Almost the abnormality that has gained credence are part of the definition for what is normal.
What is normal? So what is normal today? What is abnormal today can be normal tomorrow. That's why we should be very careful. Because a time to what homosexuality is from your muscle.
Exactly. Exactly.
And never normal.
And no crab and Tamadrama Monday said I cannot go them cry.
Even first to crown. First to say you're certain lifestyle you dare not. Better I beg normal.
First now Bema pie who's about here.
Exactly.
Bene no.
That's what I'm saying that you should be very careful with what you are doing today because about the year the known tomorrow. After all, and for a born in a woman, and for a born in a woman, 80s, 90s. I'm going to be paying one or more and go for values remain. Because you can't give what you don't have.
Exactly.
You can't give what you don't have.
Sempana, lawyer, can and crabon it in crabon and no more being no much amount for you at the money no.
And I don't know better.
You may be.
That is it. Essentially, a parent, your duty as an agent of socialization. Your duty as agent that you inculcate values in the next generation. So what kind of values are we inculcating? What type of values, what type of morals are we transmitting to the next generation? What I say, oh, I'm going to because akwani wona woni a blank page where it say akwaketwa na ta ko be so say 9 years 10 years so TikTok o mami TikTok no mami phone in different languages that is happening akwani should na that why you also can against also abrabani what is proven
Opemsuo
and you can only and now my other chair mami go to azio chira number but the battery and
a credit you better not come on more trunk everyone's a good trader.
But over to the morning I was money in a way.
Oh, yeah, dear. Nice,
so we do have the moral right to correct the child tomorrow. So we should be very sometimes we are quick to that. But we should take introspection. Let's see the contribution each of us are making to the general problem. And then again, so you contribute towards that problem because you continue to do you must start from year end. Year end. Because you know if you ball you off. You are got to abandon machine, abandon sanitation, a problem. Now so feel that the way you know. What to say me transfer. Then that's what we do. so we do any project too. So we do any project. Acquire yan at party.
Because I never go.
Because of what's on your to attend and they forgot that. What to was fatty. What to do? That's a chance of putting a bomb on what you do my phone and wanna look at Rakadao. Or tomorrow China take a crazy accident. I saw that soon came to him. Every night. So that's it. I did we are the some effect of the daily decisions that we are making. The daily decisions we are making in them. That's I don't know how to explain this. And then
yes, we are neighbor. And
they're going to get it. The new get say, you need to play. You need to keep introspection. You do the individual year called say correct. The cycle problems can be solved. Because again, and I say we are saying here, I am we get it. Because politicians are there. You get a threat to your home. See, Papa. Okay. A sample.
No,
sample.
Exactly.
Sample. Papa, I don't mean Papa politicians. You book to say, you are both community, or cover the normal bar. Corruption.
Say, your community in the internet. And can a judgment some moments where the promise the parliamentarians or more just by what could you tables and was on a shot and what me at the table and some parliamentarians who by a name the society no the hailing on the
social political parties now the temper popular
and correct then I know dear or dear to me so and any dear
only near the manifest. He said that is a stage you are placing value on it. Chiapano to feel is a between donors or something. Let me share also that guy is known for insulting. Now me him accurately pretending to be that guy and he's insulting. And this person, society no. That's it. Only what the man so by so you criminalize free speech. But let me tell you something. In UK. Because of Ukraine, Russian topic. UK for attacking Russia as the aggressors. When you say Russian newspapers, you say they are anti. You're not allowed to listen to it. You're not allowed to listen to a radio station.
Because I'm not tagging them.
I'm not tagging them. I want they can pollute the environment. We make a woman about this matter. I'm not going to what I say? Even
in part of Asia, not all information or more alarming trickle to almost TikTok and Facebook.
And to Ghana, no, yes, I think we can say Wiki. Ghana,
you're crying.
I think we can say Wiki. And so you're not, if you only cut your neck and expert, or say realistic media, realistic. It's realistic. With what? Responsibility. Realistic with responsibility. But I don't know. Obia will key role because media play on. They have a powerful advancing or influencing a medium.
Exactly.
Obi see from radio so na official no correct. The person doesn't question it. And you know we all have our individual responsibilities to play. If you are to enjoy the right that associated with it. Because every right comes with a responsibility. So you should probably be interested in our individual responsibilities.
Lawyer, me de ubesi anu munne na yakwa enim no sa teachings we ni de meba ma ye de be ma yati for da ne da se de babia mistake obia no na obia adan ho so.
Thank you very much for coming out with such topics.
Me da se pa lawyer ose dakwa Nicholas na ote se mene no etwetwe nkomo efa niam bia ya na ebu ani aguso e ba ye phone so kra yen ye twa bi picture na e posti na obi nso twa de na o posti